Hey guys, welcome to NitroRCX.com. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at one of my favorite vehicles, the ESC RC 1/10 scale MadSpeed, also known as the Drift King. So these vehicles all come ready to run out the box. They're ready to run, meaning it comes with the transmitter. You have a fully assembled vehicle ready to go out the box. The speed controller, the motor, the batteries are inside ready to go. Now these are 1/10 scale vehicles, 1/10 the size of an actual full-size scale version of this car. Notice these beautiful body shells with LED lights as well. Charge time varies by the charger, but with the stock charger you're looking at about a 2-hour charge time. Notice the wheels, these are Drift King, so they're made to drift, made to slide. These are standard 12mm hex wheels, so you can mount rubber tires or different standard 1/10 scale wheels on here. Oil-filled shocks to give you dampening. Now these chassis are fully adjustable. Notice the tow rods, the tie rods, they're all adjustable. You can play with tow, you can play with camber on the front and rear. You can even play with caster using spacers. We have a brushless 380 size motor, and we have a brushless ESC. You can use, it comes equipped with a nickel battery, but to get the full potential out of a brushless system, you want to use a lithium polymer battery, which is going to give it a lot more power and a lot longer run times. It's 2.4 GHz systems. Motor specifications, you have a 3000 kV motor and you have a 60 amp brushless speed controller on the brushless model. The brushless model is going to be a lot quicker. You're going to reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour, and your run times are going to be a bit longer, up to 15 minutes of runtime on that 2000 milliamp battery. Alright, so that sums it up for the quick look at the ESC RC 1/10 scale ready to run MadSpeed Drift King. We have different body styles. Be sure to check them out at NitroRCX.com. If you want more detailed specs and pictures, head on over there. Lots of videos, lots of drift videos. Check those out. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and click the like button. We'll catch you guys next time.